Hey everyone, welcome to another video for the Funny Pajamas Otaku edition. Now this is a video that I'm really excited to do because this is a total first for me. So I finally did it. I bought my first art book. For those of you who don't know, I just started collecting manga in the beginning of this year, so I'm very much a newbie, and I decided I've seen a lot of manga tubers invest in art books and they look so gorgeous. So I decided to just give in to my impulses and buy one art book. This art book in particular has special meaning for me. I'll let you know that down further below. Anyway, before we go any further, I'd just like to say, if you haven't done so already, please take some time, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, become a subscriber to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're notified every time I post something new. So let's get down to it. So like I said, this package is an art book. Now I don't have basically any other sources other than Amazon, so I bought this off Amazon. I don't know in what condition it has come in, but I am so excited to open this up. Okay, ta-da! So as you can clearly see, it is the complete art of Full Metal Alchemist by Hiromu Arakawa. Now, full context here. Full Metal Alchemist was the first box set very on in my collecting career that I invested. So this has special meaning for me. I've done an unboxing for that box set, so I'll leave a link for that card up in the on top, and in case you want to check it out, links in the description down below, so do check it out. So this is the Full Metal Alchemist complete art. So looking straight off, it's not in the best of conditions, particularly damaged and dinged up, but I can't expect much from Amazon. I mean, I don't know, I'm loath to return this because I know I expected it to come in better condition, and this really this thing here, it really bugs me. But for such a big book and considering the packaging it came in, I'm not surprised, I gotta say. And considering it's Amazon, they're not best known for the quality. Also, straight up looking up here, there seems to be some amount of damage. If you can see here, I don't know, it's dinged up a bit. But anyway, I'm really excited to have my first ever art book, and I thought I'd share it with you guys and do very quick flip through. So this is not going to be a very long video. So straight off, okay, we've got Edward and Alphonse, and no, straight off, I didn't expect this to be right to left, because I thought it would be like the standard format. So we have Roy Mustang, Riza Hawkeye, and Havoc. So I like I've always clearly said, Roy Mustang is my favorite character in all of Full Metal Alchemist, and I totally so I'm really excited. Particularly these beautiful cover pages, they're so glossy and so nice. I mean, like, I don't have much experience in the field of art books, but this is just absolutely gorgeous. This is all artwork by the original mangaka. I just can't wait to display this. So this is on, I believe this is on the box set, on the back of the box set, if I'm not mistaken. All the characters here, you've got lust, you've got envy and gluttony and all that. It's just gonna be a quick flip through. So you got more artwork. We got Winry here, my girl Winry, she's best girl. And we got Greed, and of course we've got Führer Bradley. I'm getting this Pinania, I forgot how you pronounce her name. And Winry and Ed. Okay, one thing I've noticed in other people's art book collections and all, the chibi versions, I really love these chibi drawings, so I love this. This looks really good. Oh my god, looking so good, Edward. More chibi stuff. And this, if you know, you know. The artwork is just so detailed and so gorgeous in these. I love the different situations they put each of the characters in. Oh, look at that. Edward. So cute. Ah! Edward, Winry and Al. Okay. Hohenheim here. I mean, okay, this is good. This is like all the homunculi, so this is really good. This got Führer Bradley, we've got Sloth, we've got Pride, you've got Gluttony, you've got Envy, you've got Lust, you've got Greed. Oh yeah, look at Roy and Risa looking totally badass. I love this. Oh, they've got some black and white pages as well. So we got some of this. Okay, looking good. Now, I'll tell you straight off, when I first started collecting Full Metal Alchemist, I wasn't very much aware of the Full Metal editions that were coming out, and I wasn't sure whether I wanted to get them. So that's why I had gone in for the box set instead. But now looking at those Full Metal editions, maybe further down the line, I may invest in them, but I don't know. Okay. Kimberly, Scar. I haven't seen any pages with Scar much, but then again, we haven't flipped through in detail. So you got little, the art supplies they used and stuff that the artists and the mangaka have used, and a picture of them at work and stuff. Oh, and this little chibi character is the, the avatar the mangaka uses and appears in all the volumes. I think he is really cute, and that she decided to go with a cow. Yeah, so that's the Full Metal Alchemist, the complete art of Full Metal Alchemist. A quick flip through. I didn't go very much in detail because this is a chunky book. This is a really heavy duty book, and I'm really happy to finally get down to collecting art books as well. I love them. I've seen some on some manga tubers channels. I particularly love the art books that Nana's Dreams have, and yeah, I really want to get into this more, but like I said, this was the first box set, the first complete series that I ever got, so I wanted to really buy this and really invest in this. So now I can't wait to see how this looks when I display it. Now I got to figure out how to display it. So I'm really happy about this, in case you can't tell. So anyway, let me know, as like I told you, I'm very new to this field, to this collecting hobby and stuff. So in case you guys know any art books that are really awesome that you think you should invest in, I should try out, let me know down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Have any of you got this art book? And if you have, what do you think of it? Are you big fans of Full Metal Alchemist? I'll tell you straight off, I've watched Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood at this point fully. I didn't watch the original Full Metal Alchemist, but I do think I will give it a go. I want to see how, I know they strayed a bit from what the manga follows, so I am interested in seeing. Anyway, I'm so excited about this, to add this to my collection. And listen, if you want to contact me, hit me up in the comment section down below, or you can hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. Twitter simply @Mercy_D, Instagram @Mercy_SD. Check out my Funny Pajamas Facebook page, simply @FunnyPajamas. And if you want to contact me by email, my email's up on the screen right now. Simply mercy@funny-pajamas.com. And everywhere it's pajamas with a Y. I just cannot repeat how many times I'm so happy to have this in my possession. I know it came a bit dinged up and banged up, but hey, I just do not want to let it go. So that's all I have for you right now. So this was a very quick unboxing. I know I babbled on and on, but in case you can't notice, I'm really excited about it. So that's all I have for you right now. I'm going to end this video right now by saying bye. See you guys in the next one, everyone. Bye. Have a good one.